guys, I'm Sisi.
Hey, Mski.
And watching Chainsawman episode 4 of season 1.
Alright, so we're doing another episode of Chainsawman. So we gotta find out what's going on with Power.
Yeah.
Is she gonna be alright?
Yeah, I think she's gonna be alright. Yeah.
How about that?
And the cat also, Meowie.
Meowie as well.
Yeah.
I hope Meowie is alright.
That's a cute name.
Dude, imagine maybe Power and Meowie were both inside that devil.
Yeah,
they were
like
hanging
that.
around together, you know.
In the stomach.
Yeah, inside.
And there's stomach acid.
Yeah. But let's get into it and find out.
Yeah, let's go. Don't forget to check out our Patreon if you're interested in full length and other access to our reactions. The link is in the description.
You can also follow us on Instagram and join the Discord.
Yes.
She gotta be sucking on them like that, bro. Oh, Jesus. This show is graphic. Nice to see some butt cheeks too. Dude, for a moment, oh my god. Yeah, he's like the only thing that she didn't consume.
命は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃ。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？ニャーコを助けるため。
Shit.
味も匂いも死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて。
Yeah, there they are. Are they alright? Yes! Yeah, they're inside.
Aww.
Oh.
Ah,
He's getting some
nice.
なぜわしを助けた？
boobs.
ウヌを殺そうとしたのに。
Say boobs. That's my man.
It reminds me of that cat that's like...
Yeah, put up a picture.
Yeah.
My favorite cat.
Yeah.
胸を揉ませてやるわ。
Babe.
Imagine now he says no.
Yes!
What?
No! Really, bro? Oh.
That thing.
Oh, it's another devil.
That devil was disgusting.
Then you can regenerate that, right?
指も動かせん。
Oh shit.
ニャーコを連れて逃げてくれ。
Nah. Those are his boobs. Oh shit.
Nah. She's seeing him like
What do
that.
you
for
mean
the
not
first time.
enough chainsaw? Does it just not have energy for that? Batty? Oh my god, they were in love.
好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
後ろのやつらは
殺す。
Oh, no deal.
じゃあ死にな。
Oh my god, I just love the animation. Ooh. Oh my god, the transitions.
たかが胸を揉むために。こんな戦えるのか。
Yes! She'll never get it. Oh my, dude, this thing has got 6 chests.
Yeah. But that a bit saggy.
Shit.
殺すのはもったいない顔だけど。死んでちょうだい。
骨もむ前に死ねっかよ。
Yes!
低俗な欲望を持つやつに
Always cop a feel.
バカみたいな理由じゃな。
お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
They just don't get it. Denji! Oh, chainsaw!
みんな俺にやること見下しや
Yeah!
復讐だな、家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだの。
How's everybody gonna be so noble, huh?
夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢船もむこといかね
Yeah! I just love this boy. Fuck your dreams. Denji! Dude.
Ooh.
Wrap her around. Yeah. Should have the chainsaw. Oh shit.
Ah.
悪魔じゃ。
Oh my god.
This boy. Oh shit, the POV shot?
Yeah.
Oh.
What about her hair?
Dude, we better get a POV shot when he touches the...
No.
Oh shit.
いただきま
What? Oh.
Mski.
Hey, calma.
What?
This
I
motherfucker,
don't know. He reminds me so much of Megami.
this motherfucker really is Megami.
は昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし、
This thing can talk? And it's a woman?
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ。輸血したらくっついたらしい。本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。
Okay.
デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。
Oh.
俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。力を借りる代わりに体の一部
He really is Megami, bro.
Hmm.
悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も同じだ。パワーはいいやつだぜ。監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行く
Oh
男が
shit.
確認されている。
She's gonna be in trouble now.
お前、血の魔人に殺されそうになっただろ。理由はわからないが、お前はまた悪魔に肩入れしているな。さあ、
It's hard to explain.
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。
Oh, those people he saved.
お礼を言いたくて。
Oh.
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェンソーが頭に刺さっている。
Yeah.
俺がもっと詳しく調べて上に報告すれば、血の魔人も、それをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者も出なかったし、
Maybe that man's some apple, bro.
俺の言うことを聞いていれば、お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。
Pay his dog.
どうだ、分かったら返事。
Everybody wants him to be their dog.
どーんと期待しといてくれ。
とりあえず、敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。
なあ、無罪だったじゃろ。
あ
わかったらさっさとこれを外せ。
Yeah.
慣れ合うつもりはないですよ。
I understand why he's so tough on them. Okay, creepy place, bro. I would never want to work at a place like this. Oh yeah, gotta fix up.
Come on.
Yeah, she's not even that pretty, bro.
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、コウモリの悪魔と遭遇したそうです。
Oh,
チェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、
He's a good guy.
襲撃を受けましたが
Good story.
でもデンジ君とパワーちゃん知らず知らずのう
She
ち
knows he's bullshitting.
早川君も少し頭が柔らかくなった。デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
まさか
Might be.
何も変わってないです
I
よ
think it is.
No, it's not. He's always just looks for the interest in the innocence. I genuinely feel like this guy will do everything for the betterment of the people.
Yeah, yeah.
For their good. As long as Denji is useful, he's gonna use him. What's Denji doing now? It's awfully quiet.
Coffee.
Okay, morning routine. Hey guys, I'll show you my morning routine today.
Look, everyone loves to sit and just drink coffee and relax in the morning.
People,
And that's so annoying to you.
of course it is. There's work to be done. I don't know, bro. I feel like I like the long hair better. That looks like protein powder. Strawberry jam. All
It's not
kinds of jam
only
again.
strawberry jam.
Dude, what is going on? Why are we getting our morning routine?
やりんだよ
Ah,
悪魔
Oh,
power.
yeah. Power.
狭い家じゃの。
Oh my god.
They gotta live together.
That would be
She owes him
impossible.
something.
君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんの
Ah,
いい首輪になれ
they'll
る。
both be on the ground,
なんで俺の
crawling.
やばいやつばかり
Or in the cat's room?
私が早川君を
Meowie?
一番に信用しているからだよ。
That's Makima's punishment.
はい
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。
But this guy blushed when she said she trusts him.
Yeah.
He likes her way too much.
野菜は嫌いじゃん。はい。
人参野菜を投げるな
てめえ野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ悪魔
トイレ。
It's like having two animals in your apartment, bro. Oh my god.
流せ
くせえんだよ
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ
人間は繊細じゃのう。なあにゃこ。
Like even Denji showers? Come on, girl.
突然来て暴れ回りやがってな
Oh my
I'd
god,
be
bro.
pissed if I have to clean the toilet because of someone.
おいクソ悪魔てめえのクソこびりついて
Can't
取れねえ
point
んだ
this
よ
at her like that. Yes!
約
Let
束
me get
だ
ready
った
for
だろ
this.
胸を揉ませてやるから。揉め。
She can bounce them.
Oh my god.
What's Hayakawa gonna think?
She should
Oh my
take
God.
the shirt off.
She gonna lift it up?
Yeah.
俺どうした嬉しいじゃろ。
It's a
Oh.
POV.
It's POV, yeah. Exactly what I wanted.
じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。
3 of them? That's a lot.
胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが。
Ah, come on now.
胸の頑張りに報いての3もみ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
You know you want it. Denji?
天使
Oh my god. Ending? Dude,
I
you got-
wanted to see those squeezes.
probably next episode.
No, I think they're gonna leave us like that.
Oh, they can't leave us hanging. Oh, they already did, but they can't not show it
Something
in
else
the
might happen in that toilet.
Dude, we gotta check out the endings as well. It's the endings that are different every episode. It's not the opening. I knew it was either the openings or the endings. I thought it was the openings. We're gonna watch all endings once we're done with the show, and when we're gonna post it on YouTube and on Patreon. You probably already know this because I'm sure we would have done a comment about it in episode 1 already. Just clarifying again, because we still haven't posted anything either on Patreon or YouTube as you're watching this. We still haven't done the editing for any of them. I love everything about the show. The animation, the production, the boobies, the plot, the characters, the interactions, the relationships.
Yeah, I love it as well.
Should I keep going?
I love it as well.
Yeah, I think the characters are being fleshed out and I love it. I think we pretty much understand the entire unit, what they're about.
Yeah, I like
right
that
now.
everyone has a motive, kind of.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think it's necessarily the driving force. I think it's just, you don't really need to have a motive, I think. This is why I kind of understand where Denji is coming from. I mean, why do you need to have that revenge shit on your mind all the time? You can just live your life to the fullest without having to worry about stuff like that. And then that makes sense that Denji would see things that way because he's never had anything.
Yeah.
Whereas other people that have had things just feel like, you know, there's always something more to strive for and you can never settle down and things can be enough. You just gotta go and reflect on things and remember that you already have enough.
Like he knows what a blessing is to have like
a roof over your head, something
food.
To eat, jam to put on your bread.
Yeah, boobs.
For Power, it's gonna be something similar, but Power, I think she's gonna struggle getting used to a life like this because she liked her previous life better, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's gonna be a struggle for her as well. It's gonna be a struggle for Hayakawa to live with 2 animals like them, for sure. But he's gonna have control over them, so that's good.
Yeah.
He'll see them as a weapon that he can use to do good. So I think that's good. If I have judged his character,
he's gonna become friends with them.
Yeah.
He's gonna become close to them.
Yeah, maybe not even that, but I feel like if I have judged his character, probably I think he's a good guy.
Yeah, he is, definitely.
Just wants to do good things.
Yeah, I actually like his character a lot.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be... We'll see a lot of progression with his character.
Yeah. I don't think he's gonna be a character that doesn't have flaws, though. We're kind of seeing his love for Maki or his obsession with her. But yeah, for the time being, it works, I think. We'll see what happens in the future. Makima is kind of like a mystery still. We don't know what she truly is about. So, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, the unit is set out nonetheless. We know the dynamic. We know the relationships. They're gonna live at the same place as well. So it's gonna be interesting.
Yeah. Next
episode, we get to touch some boobs. That's good. Finally, then we can have another dream, another goal.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be good as well. This is the first time where I feel like it was a little bit overly sexual. But I don't really have an issue with that. She didn't lift up her t-shirt, so I think that's good.
I think even if she lifted it, the show would have made it like we're seeing only Denji and we're seeing her back.
Yeah, right. The camera was gonna be behind.
They
Power.
Wouldn't show some bra.
Of course, yeah. I imagine that's gonna be the way. And by the way, the episode started her devouring all kinds of animals. That was kind of
sucking on those birds.
Yeah, it was kind of disgusting, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But I like stuff like that, to be honest. Gory.
Yeah.
Things. So yeah, I'm enjoying the show a lot.
Yeah, me too.
But yeah, that was more or less it for this episode. Really enjoyed it. The fight was amazing. Once again, the animation, the production, superb. I think by far obviously, objectively not the best animation, not the best production, but personally, I think it's personally for me the best one. I just really like the colors. I really like the look of it. For me,
I like the design of the characters a lot.
Yeah, that as well. I think a lot. It adds a lot. I think the sound does a really good job as well.
Yeah.
It adds so much to the story. I think the sound effects are really good, especially for the chainsaws. Just really good stuff all around, I say. Thank you for watching this reaction, and if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing and tuning into the next video, and we'll see you there. See ya!